Hello naturals, welcome back to my channel. I am super duper excited because we're doing a pilau recipe today. Yay! Anyway, I haven't forgotten about the series of the 5 simple everyday meals. I know we're at series number 4. I'll get back to it as soon as possible. So I decided to slip in this pilau recipe since someone had requested it and I was doing it for a small gathering I had hosted, and I figured why not post it anyways. So enough yapping, let's hop on to the video. For my meat, I don't use my regular meat on bone. I go for the bone soup meat that I extract the meat from it. Then I have my yellow and green capsicum with some coriander over there, the meat, then potatoes, the soup from the meat, and my pilau mix. Don't mind, I didn't have the actual pilau mix, so I improvised all the spices that I have, and finally I came up with the actual pilau mix. Self-made. For the rice, I prefer washing it first and then I let it drip the water completely until it feels like it is just like I removed it from the packet washed. To begin with, I put all the not so wet ingredients like the meat, the saumu, tangawizi, and the spices all together. I let them completely cook down, and all the flavors are now popping. You can even start feeling the aroma in the air. Then after that, that's when now I put all the wet ingredients like the tomato paste, the soup, and then we do the rice far much later, because we really have to have these ones all cooked down so that now we can come in with the rice, because the rice will cook very fast, you know, and the potatoes. So these ones we are going to do them far much later, not now. Here's the thing with pilau, I don't do a lot of water for starters, because once you mix in everything into the sufuria, kutoa itakuwa ngumu, since you'll have all the ingredients according to your measurements. So the moment you want to remove the excess water, you'll be removing some spices. So I'd rather have little water in the pot to bring in the consistency of the spices that I've put in, then boil hot water aside so that when I put my rice in, I mix. I'll be topping up water until my rice is up to the level of cooking that I want it to be at. swelling up, you need not interfere with it anymore. Don't mix nor add water. You just want it to cook into a rice-like meal, not like a ugali or a solid mixture. So just maybe check to confirm it is about to cook by pressing it and see if it can disintegrate. Then you cover it tightly with a foil paper and let it cook with the temperatures in the sufuria and on low heat. So you have to reduce your gas, and this is to just prevent your rice from sticking onto the sufuria ndio isiungue. After about 15 minutes, your rice should be ready by now. So be careful, go check it out and see if it's ready. And now it's time to serve. Our pilau is ready. Now you're going to serve it with salad, or you can even have it. There's this stew pilipili that you can literally eat with ugali. It's called pilipili ya maembe or pilipili ya nyanya. One of these 5 days I'm going to do one of them or even both of them. So for this recipe, I served it with salad with a pilipili that I had done on my oatmeal pancakes video. So you can go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box or on the small icon there that has an eye. That's a suggested video. You can tap on it and you're going to see the link to go to it. Yeah, so I put my oil and butter because I love blue band, you know, in a pan. I make it hot, then I pour on my cabbages and carrots. Then I garnish with maybe black pepper and a lot of lemon, enough lemon, because I really love the lime and the butter together. Yeah, that's how I do my salad. So basically we are done, and now it's time to serve the pilau. We have come to an end of this amazing video. Please guys, remember to like and subscribe. Imagine subscription is free, no charges whatsoever. So please just like, subscribe, if possible share, and yeah, comment. Let's engage in the comment section. I always say this. So please, until the next video, bye bye.